having a private party. Ain't nobody here but me, my angels, and my guitar singing. Baby, look how far we've come, yeah. I'm having a private party, learning how to love me, celebrating the woman I've become.
Hi guys, it's me again, Jasmine Scroggins, this Black US Ambassador 2013, and I am here with another video blog. Okay, now please forgive me. I know it's been a while, a little bit over a month since I released my last video, but I'm back now and I'm here to stay, and I'm more excited than ever to be doing vlogs for you guys. So it is the holiday season. Super excited about that. Favorite time of the year. Just got finished with Thanksgiving. How was you guys' Thanksgiving? Mine was awesome. I stuffed myself into an oblivion. I was probably waddling by the end of the night. And being one who is trying to stay very strict and disciplined about my fitness and my figure, I just let loose completely on Turkey Day on Thanksgiving. And just to be around my family and friends, and to be around people who you love and who love you right back, it was amazing. And Christmas is right around the corner. Today is the 20th and that's 5 days away. Oh my gosh, Christmas is 5 days away. 2013 is almost over. It's almost the new year. 2014, this year flew by, did it not? Am I lying? Am I telling stories? It did, right? I'm super excited. NBUSAM has lots of great things happening for 2014. I cannot wait. I'm bursting with anticipation because I really want to tell you guys, but I can't. Shh, secret, under wraps. You guys will see in the beginning of the new year. I cannot wait. Seriously, I'm excited. So like I said, quick video blog. Just wanted to see how you guys were doing, checking in. Happy Christmas, Hana Kwanzaa. I pray that you guys enjoy your holiday. School just ended. I pray that you guys got all A's or something close to it. I just finished my semester up in grad school. My first semester ever. How was it? It was pretty good. Pretty great. It was easy. It's just the workload is astronomical. And thank God I got really great grades. So I'm happy about that. Excited for next semester. But yeah, this is me signing on out. Holla back at me. I really want to know what's going on with you guys. I really want to hear your feedback because that's how I can tailor my video blogs to you guys. Oh, and one more thing, I'm starting to do more. I really want to become more interactive, so I'm going to do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. As you can see, I have my holiday look going on. I have my winter bun with my little tendrils hanging down and my holiday face, my makeup. I'm a makeup just fanatic, so I'm about to start doing that too. And don't forget, this month, December, is Political Correctness Awareness Month, and it's also Safe Gifts and Toys Month. I always want you guys to be aware. Anything else, Jasmine? And that's about it. Anyway, Jasmine Scroggins signing out, Miss Black US Ambassador 2013. Mwah. I love you much.
I'm having a private party.